My name is Mohan Kure. I am from Sanjeevani University, and now I am studying in Master of Business Administration in first class. And my subject name is Organizational of Behavior. Then my today's topic is dairy farming. So हम अब स्टार्ट करते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन से. Dairy farming is a class of agriculture for a long-term production of milk, which is proceed either on the farm on at a dairy plant, either of which may be called as a dairy for the initial scale of a dairy product. Before the 20th century, milking was done by hand on small farm. Beginning in the early 20th century, milk was done in a large scale dairy farms with initial including then rotary and milking pipeline, then automatic milking system that were commercially developed in the early 1990s. then अब हम बात करेंगे उसके बाद कैटल फार्मिंग के बारे में. सो cattle farming involves the rearing and management of two types of animal of one group for food requirement like milk and another for labor purpose like as animal which provides milk are called as milk dairy animals. For example that हम एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं उसके तो goats, buffaloes, goats and etc. Then animals which are used for labor are called draught animals. Then same dairy animals are called as bred for milk. We need to improve milk production to meet the requirements. Then the period after the birth of a cow, then we cow start to product milk. then इसके बाद हम इस टॉपिक पे बात करेंगे कि देन टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट के बारे में थोड़ा फार देखेंगे. तो कंडेंस्ड milk which has been consolidated by evaporation with sugar added for reduced. Then evaporated milk then means less concentrated than concerned. Then milk without added sugar, bulk milk. Then means milk powder product by removing the water for usually skim milk. Then malai powder milk produced by from removing water from milk. and उसके बाद हम देखेंगे milk procurement. and milk procurement in most countries milk production is mostly carried out in the rural areas from wherever it is transported to the milk processing plant in the India. Milk is regularly collected and transported means daily morning and evening. The usual methods of milk collection and reception at the dairy plants are milk procurement through individual producer. In this case, milk is brought to the dairy plant by the individual producer in their own producer who are located nearby milk collection center. then अब हम इसके बाद देखेंगे milk production. The process taking the place at a typical milk plant include then received and filtration, clarification of the raw milk, separatization of all parts of the milk's fat for a standardizations. Then of market milk production of a cream and butter. Other then means fat based product and production of a milk powder. तो अब इसके बाद हम देखेंगे इंडिजिनियस मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. इंडियन डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स आर मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स विच आर ओरिएंटेड इंडिया. फर्स्ट इज द श्रीखंड. Srikhand is the semi-soft, sweet, sour whole milk product prepared from latex fermented curd. The basic integrated for means Srikhand is a chakka. Then second is a ghee. Ghee is a clarified butter fat prepared from a cow buffalo milk. Then the largest ghee producing states are Punjab, Rajasthan, MP, Bihar, Haryana, then Maharashtra. And the production of ghee is higher in winter and lower in summer. Then third is a lassi. Lassi also called as chakkas or matha refers to the local buttermilk. It is the byproduct obtained from clarifying curdled whole milk with curd indigenous devices for production of our local butter. 50 to 60 kilogram of lassi are produced by every kilogram of ghee. Lassi contains milk proteins and देन उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे फोर्थ नंबर चीज़. Cheese has a high protein content in a very distributing form. It is rich in curriculum and then is an excellent source of fat soluble. then अब उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे एडवांटेजेस की. तो द इंडिविजुअल advantages investment in a dairy farming business is low in comparison to other industry. Second is the demand for the milk product is increasing rapidly. And third is a cow dung the is the good organic manure. It increase soil fertility. then अब उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे it is environment friendly pollution rises from dairy farming business. और उसके बाद हम कंट्रीज की बात करेंगे डेयरी फार्मिंग के. फर्स्ट इज मिल्क इज अ perceivable product, need early marketing persuasion. then trained and experiential manager is needed for management. and उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे cost of milk pollution is increasing in recent years due to the increase in the cost of feed integrated. Thank you.